How to get rid of old house smell in the closet, detailed guide. Are you tired of opening your closet door and being hit in the face with a funky odor that smells like a combination of mothballs, mustiness, and your great-grandma's perfume? Well, don't worry because we'll show you how to get rid of old house smell in the closet with a few simple steps and a bit of elbow grease. So, put on your cleaning gloves and let's get to work. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Empty the closet of all its contents. First things first, start by removing everything from your closet. This means all your clothes, shoes, bags, and any other items stored there. Take them all out, and if possible, take them outside. This will help prevent the musty smell from lingering in your home and will give you more space to work in. This is also a great opportunity to declutter. Clutter in the closet might also contribute to the smell. Once you've removed everything from the closet, you'll be able to see the space more clearly and identify any areas that need extra cleaning attention. Vacuum the closet floor and walls. Doing this will help remove any loose dirt and debris that may be contributing to the musty smell. You'll need a vacuum cleaner with a hose and crevice tool attachment. The crevice tool is important for cleaning tight spaces and corners that the main vacuum head may not be able to reach. Begin by vacuuming the closet floor. Use the main vacuum head to cover as much ground as possible. Pay extra attention to any areas that may have accumulated more dirt or debris. Next, switch to the crevice tool attachment and use it to vacuum any tight spaces and corners in the closet. This may include areas around shelves, corners where the floor meets the wall, or any other nooks and crannies that could be trapping dirt and debris. Move on to vacuuming the closet walls. Use the main vacuum head to cover as much surface area as possible. Then, switch to the crevice tool attachment to clean any corners or tight spaces that may be missed. Finally, go over the entire closet again with the crevice tool attachment. Wipe down the closet walls, shelves, and floor. This step will help remove any remaining dust or grime and leave the closet smelling fresh and clean. To do this, fill a bucket with warm water and a small amount of mild soap or cleaning solution. Next, dip a microfiber or plain cloth into the soapy water and wring out any excess liquid. You want the cloth to be damp, but not soaking wet. Begin wiping down the walls, shelves, and floor of the closet. Start at the top and work your way down. Pay extra attention to any areas that may have accumulated more dirt or grime. Examples of such areas include the corners, baseboards, and shelf brackets. You may need to use a little more elbow grease in these areas to get them fully clean. Finally, wipe down everything with a clean, damp cloth to remove any remaining soap residue. This will help prevent any sticky or greasy buildup from forming on the surfaces over time. If you're dealing with particularly stubborn stains or marks, try using a stronger cleaning solution or a specialized cleaner designed for that particular surface. For example, if you have wooden shelves, use a wood cleaner to help remove any stains or grime. Clean the closet walls, shelves, and floor with white vinegar and water solution. White vinegar is a natural and effective cleaning agent that can help remove musty smells and kill bacteria and mold. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a bucket. Depending on the size of your closet, you may need more or less of the solution. Dip a sponge into the solution or transfer the solution to a spray bottle. Apply the solution to the closet walls, shelves, and floor. Make sure to cover all surfaces thoroughly. If you're using a spray bottle, shake it well before use. Allow the solution to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This will give it time to penetrate and break down any dirt, grime, or bacteria on the surfaces. After 10 to 15 minutes, dip a clean sponge or cloth into the water and wring it out to remove any excess moisture. Use the damp sponge or cloth to wipe down the closet walls, shelves, and floor. Ensure you cover all surfaces. This will help rinse away any remaining cleaning solution and dirt. Once you have rinsed all surfaces thoroughly, use a clean, dry towel to wipe away excess moisture. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies, such as corners and tight spaces. Remove any remaining moisture and ventilate the closet. First, leave the closet door open to allow fresh air to circulate. This will help dry out any remaining moisture and prevent mold and mildew growth. If your closet is very large or deep, you can use a wet/dry vacuum to help remove the remaining moisture water from the surfaces. Consider using a dehumidifier to help remove excess moisture from the air. This can be especially helpful in humid climates or if your closet is located in a damp area, such as a basement or crawl space. Alternatively, you can place a small fan in the closet to help circulate the air and dry out any remaining moisture. This can be helpful if you don't have a dehumidifier or prefer a more natural solution. Ensure that the closet is completely dry before returning your items to the closet. Returning the items to a wet or damp closet can make matters worse than it initially was. Use odor absorbers. After cleaning the closet thoroughly, you may still notice some lingering odors. This is where activated charcoal, baking soda, or coffee grounds can be helpful. These substances are natural odor absorbers and can be used to help eliminate any remaining old house smells in your closet. Place a few bowls of your preferred odor absorber in the closet. You'll want to use at least one bowl for every 10 square feet of closet space. Make sure to place the bowls on a stable surface where they won't tip over. Leave the bowls in the closet for several days to absorb any remaining odors. It's best to leave them for at least a week to ensure that they have had enough time to absorb all the odors. Finally, give your closet one final cleaning. Just wipe down the closet surfaces with a clean, damp cloth. If you notice any remaining odors, you can repeat the process of using the odor absorber. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.